else you cannot be in Andre's play or any other.
But can you tell me what I did wrong?
No, I can't.
I don't get any feedback.
That is correct.
But...
Drive-by acting exercise. You're all terrified dolphins. Go! Live the fear! Live the fear!
Oh, come on! How am I supposed to do the scene right if no one will tell me what I did wrong? I thought you guys were my friends.
I'm not your friend.
I was hoping we could be more than friends.
Ugh, it's so gross how he's always hitting on every girl.
I never hit on you.
What's that supposed to mean?
You guys, my problem?
Number one rule of the bird scene, no one's allowed to help you.
No one.
So this is what you did with your locker?
Yeah. See, it's a dry erase board with a bunch of colorful pens and a convenient cup, so whoever wants to can write or draw whatever they want.
But you're supposed to decorate it yourself.
It's a Hollywood arts tradition.
Well, what's wrong with letting other people be expressive on my locker?
Well, for one thing, they can do that.
Yeah? Yeah, well, my locker's smarter than your locker.
How can a locker be
I don't
smarter
know. Come on. Somebody tell me how to do the bird scene or I'm gonna cry.
Can't.
And don't be so whiny.
Yeah, man up. Time for our first ballet class. Ooh, ballet! I didn't know I'd feel so awkward wearing tights.
These things squeeze me in a bad way.
Yeah, you won't be complaining when we're surrounded by lady ballerinas.
Oh, man, it's a dude ranch.
So, you ready?
Oh, I'm way past ready. Sekowitz wants the bird scene. I'm gonna give him the bird scene. I got props, I got a backdrop, and just to kiss up a little, I even got Sekowitz. 2 large coconuts.
Those are good ones.
What's the deal with Sikowitz and coconuts?
He says the milk gives him visions.